Join me as I take on the challenge of starting my dream business right now, even with fear holding me back. Have you ever imagined yourself running a business that truly reflects your passions and values, but something holds you back from taking the leap? You're not alone. Many people have a dream business they want to start, but fear holds them back from pursuing it. Fear of failure is a major obstacle for many aspiring entrepreneurs. What if I'm not good enough? What if I fail and end up in debt? These are questions that can keep you up at night, preventing you from taking action towards your business goals. Another fear that people often face is financial insecurity. Will I be able to make ends meet? Will I be able to support myself and my family? These are real concerns that can be daunting. Then there's the fear of the unknown. What if I'm not sure what I'm doing? What if I don't know how to market my product or service? This fear can be overwhelming, making it difficult to take the first step. But what if I told you that these fears are normal? That every successful entrepreneur has faced these fears at some point? The key is to acknowledge them and find ways to overcome them. One strategy is to shift your mindset. Instead of seeing failure as the end of the world, see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Remind yourself that every successful entrepreneur has experienced setbacks along the way. Another strategy is to seek support. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and your business idea. Join online communities, or find a mentor who can guide you through the process. You don't have to do it alone. Taking small steps towards your business goals can also help you overcome fear. Break down your big goal into smaller, manageable tasks. Focus on one task at a time, and celebrate your successes along the way. This will give you the confidence and momentum you need to keep moving forward. Finally, remind yourself why you wanted to start your dream business in the first place. What is your why? What problem do you want to solve? What impact do you want to make? When you focus on your purpose, you'll be more motivated to push through your fears and take action. I remember when I first started my business, I was terrified. I had no idea if I was good enough or if anyone would even care about what I had to offer, but I took the leap anyway. I started small, created a plan, and took consistent action towards my goals. And you know what? It worked. My business started to take off, and I was able to make a living doing something I loved. If I can do it, you can too. One of my friends, Sarah, is a great example of someone who overcame her fears and successfully launched her business. She had always dreamed of starting a bakery, but she was afraid of failing and not being able to support herself. So, she started small, taking on small catering jobs and selling her baked goods at local farmers markets. She perfected her recipes, built a following, and eventually opened up her own bakery. Today, her bakery is thriving, and she's living her dream. In summary, overcoming fear and starting your dream business requires a mindset shift, seeking support, taking small steps towards your goals, and focusing on your purpose. It's not easy, but it's worth it. So, what's holding you back from pursuing your dream business? I want to hear from you. What fears are holding you back from starting your dream business? Share with me in the comments below. And if you want more tips on entrepreneurship, check out my video on the top 10 mistakes new entrepreneurs make. Thanks for watching.